Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Insightly CRM project to deal tracking, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by logging into your Insightly CRM account.
Navigate to the dashboard to access your projects.
Select the project you wish to track in relation to a deal.
Review the project details to ensure you have all necessary information.
Locate the related section within the project overview.
Click on the button labeled Add to connect a deal to the project.
A search window will pop up. Use this window to find the relevant deal you want to associate with the project. Once you find the deal, click on it to establish the link. After linking, confirm that the deal is now visible in the related section of your project.
Next, navigate to the deal you just linked. Open the deal details to review its associated projects. Check the Related Projects section for your newly linked project.
If you want to track multiple projects, repeat the linking process. You can also create follow-up tasks for the project within the deal. To do this, navigate to the Tasks section of the deal. Click Add Task and fill in the necessary task details. Assign the task to the appropriate team member for accountability.
Set a due date to ensure timely progress. Save the task and return to both the deal and the project.
Review the updates to ensure everything is accurately linked. To generate reports on this data, navigate to the Reports section of your Insightly account. Select New Report and choose the data type you are interested in. Customize your report to reflect project-to-deal tracking metrics.
Finally, run the report to gain insights into your project and deal performance.
This completes the process of configuring project-to-deal tracking in Insightly CRM.
You can now monitor the progress and performance more effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.